Hey everybody, so in this video today, we're going to be checking out the Wynn Corner King Suite room that my friends were gracious enough to let us kind of tour around. So we're just going to show you our raw thoughts, honestly, of how the room is, what you get in it, and then we'll get into the pool afterwards. Whoa. Holy cow.
Dude, yeah, it's insane.
Oh my god, isn't it crazy?
Whoa.
Is that y'all's pool? That's y'all's pool.
That's our pool.
Or that's the Encore pool, I think. That might be y'all's pool. I truly don't know.
Who's to say?
I can't even, the reflection is crazy.
If you turn the lights off, you can see outside. Turn the lights off.
There's a button for it.
This is wild. But then you can see out there.
Alright, so voiceover here. Here is the night view from the Wynn Panoramic Corner King bedroom. Pretty nice views. From this side you can see Area 15, Resorts World, and the Encore Pool Club down below. So yeah, overall a really nice setup. But obviously during the day the views are so much better. You can look at the golf course that they have. You can see the mountain range. The panoramic view is definitely something to like splurge on if you have the budget.
And the bathroom.
You guys got a freaking iPad for something?
It controls the
No,
light.
we have to show you this. It's got everything. So it's got home screen. You can set privacy of we don't want anybody to bother us. Newspaper. You can schedule the pickup if you ordered room service. Got an alarm.
So we scheduled like to take
Temperature. You want to control the temperature real quick? We can do that. You want to control the drapes? Let's go ahead and close any of them. Open them all up.
Whoa.
Television. Go ahead and turn on right over there real quick. Schedule anything and everything that you want right here. Entertainment. You've got everything, and then some you can hook up the Bluetooth.
Adult entertainment.
Don't worry about that one. You got all the dining,
Wow. It's super important.
the amenities. It's like, what do you want to do at the Wynn itself? Here you go. They will send you messages.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just all sorts of crazy stuff.
I'm always about a full body mirror.
Insane mirror. Twerk, twerk, twerk.
This is
I know.
Have you used the bathtub yet?
Stupid. Yes.
Did.
Oh, incredible. So nice.
Nice standing shower.
The first day when Chris was like, let's go out. I'm like, let's
Okay,
go. Let's
this is a weird, very specific deal, but this is the second night. We had used some of the shampoo and conditioner, and they came back and were like, let's just refill you
She
with
saw my stuff
everything
and she
again.
knew.
Like, they just doubled it. They were like,
She
fuck
knew.
it, whatever.
She said there's a girl in here. She has to walk her in.
you know.
That's cool.
It's pretty solid, honestly.
Nice bathroom.
One more, sure.
They have the
I mean,
bathrooms.
it's their offering.
Yeah, take it. We're not gonna use 6 bottles of
Just
shampoo.
truthfully, yeah, it's insane. It's stupid.
I'm so glad y'all got an upgrade. This is awesome.
What is that? It was so crazy that this corner view has 2 windows and we're like,
I feel like there should have been robes in here. So you do get robes. You get robes with the room, and you also get a scale just to see how much weight you gained after eating at the buffet. How rude. Even the hallway is nice.
dude, for real, like this is gorgeous.
Crazy. So here we are walking to the Wynn pool, and this was interesting because they had birds out. They had an owl, which was really cool, very random, and they also had a falcon out. I believe it's a falcon. Correct me if I'm wrong, but very cool. But the pool itself was pretty simple. There was actually a ton of chairs. Didn't have any hard time finding chairs. So at the entrance to the main pool, you essentially have a big oval that fits a ton of people. And then down the middle is a long lap pool that connects all the way down to the other side to where it's the same thing, or a big oval. But there's just a lot of space in between, so it was never really crowded. The cabanas here were absolutely insane. But yeah, this was just a quick overview of the Wynn pool. Alright guys, so yeah, that was the Wynn Resort, the room and the pool. Very cool, very impressive. That's definitely a resort that just prices me out. But if you have the budget for the Wynn or the Encore, I say definitely do it because you are being treated. So yeah, if you want to see any more Vegas videos, resorts, or food, you can watch more in our Vegas playlist. And with that, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.